Hey everybody, back with another one today. Going to be doing an installation video of some Badgeskin overlays I got. It took about a month for me to receive the products that I ordered. That's kind of pretty much what everybody said when I was doing my research. Just kind of expect about a month of time before you receive them, but everything looks good. We're going to be doing the DRLs, which is right here. I went with the smoked option. We also are going to be doing a chrome delete for right here. And then that's going to be for the tail light in the back. And then this is actually going to be for my seats. It's going to make the lights look more red-like. So let's get it started. So first we're going to just make sure that the surface is nice and clean. I'm going to use some panel prep by Gian. It also did come with alcohol wipes, so I'll still use this after, but I always like to use this first. All right, so we're gonna peel off this first one, which will be on the top. That's gonna be for our left headlight. And we're gonna be doing a dry installation. So I have a little plastic squeegee. Once I get everything aligned, should be a pretty simple process. Just gonna squeeze you a little bit at a time, make sure there's no bubbles, and get it installed. They do say in the instructions that if there is some air pockets that are left, you can just use a little needle and just pop them. So let's get it going. Next, we're gonna do the chrome delete bar. So here's how we are looking with the chrome bar delete and the smoked out DRLs. here's how we're looking with the DRL lights on. All right, y'all, on to the tail light. This one should be pretty easy. All right, y'all, here's the final shot, final turnout. The rear is very subtle as far as the differences, but I think it looks pretty nice. So, well, that's going to conclude the video for today. Very straightforward install, pretty easy. It's kind of tricky in these areas. I mean, I have some imperfections, but to the naked eye, I mean, unless you know what you're looking for, you won't see it. So, very high quality products. I think everything came out well. Again, we did the DRLs, the chrome bar delete. We changed a little LED to the red on the seats, and then we did also the slotted tail light tint. So if there's ever any modifications you all would like to see, drop some recommendations. Other than that, y'all, I really do appreciate the support. I hope my videos are somewhat helpful to you all. Thank you for the feedback and the likes, and till next time, thank you.